So last night, gumimik ulit ako after a long time. Because a friend of mine dumating from the US. Nagbakasyon sila dito ng wife niya. Sinamahan niya yung anak niya, yung inaanak ko, para mag-enroll. Congrats. Galingan mo work sa college. If you need help, just let me know. And as a result, gumising ako kaninang morning na medyo masakit yung ulo. Talagang hindi na kaya ng katawan ko. Kahit bata pa ako, hindi na kaya ng katawan ko mag-inom or mag-consume na maraming alcohol. Hindi na ako sanay. Age factor, hindi na ako sanay. And third, hindi ko na rin gusto. Ayoko na feeling. But yesterday was special. Kami ng barkada ko, minsan lang kami magsama-sama ulit. Kasi nga, most of them nasa abroad. Iba-iba ng priorities. May kanya-kanya ng pamilya. Kwentuhan, usapang animals, pets. So we might, we might see each other sa Mindoro. I'm thinking of vlogging sa Mindoro. Uwi ako doon for 2 days, ganun. We'll see kung paano, how it works. Kasi maganda yung itinerary. Yung barkada kong isa, si Rad, barkada namin, mag-host daw siya ng dinner. And then the following day trip lang sa Puerto Galera, which is ginagawa rin naman namin nung bata pa kami. And then Wednesday, balik na ako sa Manila. Because I'm saving money kasi. Dahil sa June 25, pupunta naman ako ng Hong Kong. So nag-iipon ako ng pera for that and also for the UK. And also planning to put up the content creation business. Umattend kasi ako ng masterclass ni RB. Si RB, siya yung head CEO, co-founder ng BNB Media. Puntahan sa Spotify, ito yung kanyang Spotify. And then subscribe, diba? And listen to their make it a habit. And then pag meron na akong sariling podcast, kayo naman yung makinig sa channel ko, supportahan niyo rin. So that was about last nights. And then this morning, medyo nahilo-hilo pa ako, may hangover. Ang bilis ko na magka-hangover, nakakainis. Dati, I don't know, mga 12 bottles ng San Mig Light. Ngayon, 2 pa lang, 3 pa lang. Masakit na ulo ko. Never naman akong naging malakas sa inom. Yun yung gimmick last night. And this morning naman, in-invite kami nung dating office mate ng wife ko na naging friend din, si Carlo, para i-host ang isang lunch. Yung torch niya yung chashu, and then sila Chef Carlo gumagawa ng ramen. Food tasting kasi supportahan niyo yung restaurant na pag tinayo niya. Kaya mag-vlog din si China soon. Nahiya lang. Ito ayaw ng camera. Mag-vlog parang Japanese food tasting right now. Kailangan natin ng scoop for the soup, pati yung yung galing. Sige, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ginawa ni Carlo na ramen. Sabi, authentic yung mga gamit din na binili niya. So yan, meron pang dilis, char siu, tapos may mushroom. Isang mushroom. Tapos meron din seaweed. Nag-aral siya ng culinary sa Japan. Magaling, good luck. Good luck kay Carlo doon sa kanyang sa yung upcoming restaurant. Kasi he's planning to put up his own restaurant. Good luck, kaya mo yan. You just have to do it. Passion in doing something that you really love. Ginagawa natin yan effortlessly, diba? May iba, passion magluto, yung iba passion mag-alaga ng animals, gumawa ng video. Madami tayong passion na pwedeng gawin to help us grow individually. Diba? Para siyang, ang feeling ng ginagawa mo yung passion mo is like a child playing sa playground. Nag-enjoy lang siya, kahit pawisan na siya, pagod na pagod, nag-enjoy lang. Vlogging and content creation is my passion project. Hindi ko pa lang alam paano siya mamamonetize and all. Alright, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Medyo short and quick but I just want to be thankful. That's it for today. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Currently, nasa 408 pa lang tayo ngayon. But with your help, we can grow this channel to 1 million this year. Yung ma-manifest natin, 1 million subscribers this year. Tapos, and start other platforms, other formats for content creation. Thank you very much. Tell your friends about this channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. And if you have questions, you have something to tell, have comments, feedback, just let me know. Comment below or send me a DM para pag-usapan natin yon. And thank you for everything, for subscribing, for watching this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again on the next video.